Lexmin. We just went there, as in doon na jud kayo siya. So doon na gigit out ang gato ganina, pero nindot kay mga corals, as in ang daghan kay mga isda. And they also have school of fishes here underneath their cottage here in the boardwalk. So guys, you must try this out. For those free divers over there, guys, if nananaw mo, nindot kayo siya dito i-try. I would have stayed longer if I was with a free diver, but of course my son, dili pa kayo siya train. But there's a place there na dark na kayo siya, and I'm pretty sure na it went a lot deeper na, so it's really good for free diving. So don't forget to visit Lexmin Resort here in Argao. I think it's in Bulasa. So ako pag-pronounce, pero unahan na siya sa Binlod kasi ilang yan na pag Sunday, it's just a few meters away from the Lexmin Resort. So guys, once again, they have a Facebook page. You can just message them to book on weekends and holidays, but they accept walk-ins during weekdays. So once again, thank you so much for watching this video, lovies. My name once again is Margrette, and we're here at Lexmin Resort, just in front of Bohol Island. So see you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow my Facebook page, and also tap on that notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. Bye, lovies. See you in my next vlog.
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you.